era. Ayan. So there are still few people who remembers Baguio Bisita. So, Nao Bisita or Bisita.Baguio, Bisita.Baguio.com.ph was mainly, next slide please, mainly for information and monitoring system lang po siya. No pandemic, ginamit ito for visitor data and basically, it's a tourism management tool. During the pandemic, this is where we register or the visitors register, secure QR passes, and comply with the health protocols. Hindi pa ito ginagamit noon for commercial bookings. So what is Bisita now? Ngayon, we are currently transitioning it to a booking platform. So the new Bisita, through booking.baguio.bisita.ph, you can visit that right now. It's like, whoa. It's Baguio's very own tourism booking website. Dito, pwede na po tayo mag-book ng accommodations and soon to come po, tours, transport services, and other tourism activities. All in this platform po. More importantly, ito pa rin po, dinala po pa rin po ni Bisita yung number 1 task niya. If to legit check legitimate establishments, which helps protect our tourists from data scammers. This is one of the biggest upgrades so far that we have made in Baguio Bisita. Next slide, please. Ngayon, we are currently transitioning Baguio Bisita from being a regulatory platform. Bisita evolved into an integrated ecosystem that supports both government compliance and private sector growth. This is an opportunity for stakeholders to reach more tourists, operate more efficiently, and build stronger trust. So bakit nga ba natin kailangan sumali sa as a tourism stakeholder? Bakit natin kailangan sumali sa Bisita? First of all, of its official visibility. Your business will be featured in Baguio's official booking website, which is Baguio Bisita. Secondly, you will have an access to integrated booking and monitoring, one platform for everything. Third, more bookings, less hassle. Tourists trust official channels. You'll also have an access to data and chance to guide your marketing and currently enjoy zero merchant fees, including the registration still for people. And of course, one of the most important reasons why Bisita in the first place existed is for legitimacy and scam protection. By joining Bisita, you're not just purely marketing your establishment, but you're proving to tourists that all your businesses are legit and accredited. Next slide, please. So, alam na natin ang isa sa pinakamalaking problema natin ngayon, especially to all sectors, ay scammers at fake news names. Tama po ba? So, Bisita would like to address this head-on. Actually, we have a dedicated staff to validate all accommodation listing and soon other establishments. They actually cross-check it with the city permits and licensing division system to ensure na legitimate ang negosyo bago mailagay or ma-approve po tayo sa platform. Kaya kapag nasa Bisita, mas makakasigurado po ang mga turista sa legitimong accommodation or makakasiguro ang mga turista na legit ang accommodation na binubook nila. And para sa inyo, it will also boost your credibility and consumer trust. So that's all. The next step is very simple. Currently po, it's only available to the accommodation sector because we're currently working on the other establishment sector. And we will launch it officially soon. So, I will just run through na lang din po on how to register as an accommodation sa Baguio Bisita. So as I've mentioned po, pwede pa lang po mag-register sa Baguio Bisita 3.0 are the accommodation establishments. Since we are currently working on other establishments po. So registration guide and FAQs. So step 1, for accommodations, you may visit booking.baguio.bisita.ph/off/login. Ito pa yung magpapakitang page na inyo. To create your account, click create one button, which is located po at the bottom of the pop-up. You can take a picture po, but we have a help desk po doon later. If sa mga gusto na po magpa-register here on site, we can assist you there po sa booth. Next. And enter your name, email, password, and password confirmation. Click create account, button to proceed. Make sure po to enter a working or valid email kasi your bookings will be notified through the email provided. So without that po, hindi po kayo makaka-update kung may booking po kayo sa Baguio Bisita. Step 3. You will land here in this page. This indicates that you have successfully created your Baguio Bisita 3.0 account. For the website admins to validate and upgrade your account, you can message Baguio Bisita Facebook page and follow this format for admin approval. You will be needing your the subject, request for account upgrade, name, accommodation name, and email address. So before it will take only up to few minutes kasi we have a list na sinusundan. However, to ensure na talagang legitimate po yung establishment, we have put some measures to really check its legitimacy. So it would take not more hours rather than yung promise po sa before to the accommodation requirements, pero medyo hindi po siya doable ngayon, so we expect it to be a few more hours. You can always follow up naman po sa Baguio Bisita page. And upon admin approval po, your dashboard should look like this. Kung pansin niyo po, meron na po yung My Accommodations tab. So this is where you add your accommodations and add rooms. So next slide. So this is where you first, upon clicking My Accommodations, ito po yung makikita nyo. So on My Accommodations tab, press create your first accommodation to add your unit po na pinaka-rent or Step 5, fill all necessary fields that describes your establishment. Note, if the create accommodation button doesn't appear at the bottom part of the page, you may zoom out the page by pressing Ctrl or Command for Mac users, then plus or minus. We encourage po na ano po dapat, desktop PC kasi baka on mobile. Although marami naman nakagawa sa mobile, para mas efficient po siya on desktop. Upon creating the accommodation, this page will appear po. So this is how it look like. And then, proceed to adding rooms, which is located at the bottom part of this page. It's like this. Ayan po siya. Add room. Add your first room. So, to add your first room, click add your first room. To add more rooms, click the add room to po sa may right part ng page. Yung green button po na yun. On the business documents po, to add your business permit and or the ODR accreditation if you have, click upload to have your account be be approved by our admins. Fill the required details as much as possible. Provide all the necessary details for your accommodation, for your room. Sorry. Ayan. So basically, these are basic infos, amenities. Next slide, please. Photos, you can upload up to 10 photos per room. And yeah, this page po, backwards, this will provide the room summary po. And then create. Upon creating room po, magiging active na po agad yan sa page. Magiging live na po agad yan. So, that's how it look. That's how it would look like. Next slide. In any cases po, that you will be redirected to this page kasi we have received reports po na bigla nawawala yung dashboard. And nare-redirect sila dito sa page na to, you will just have to press dashboard. And your dashboard will be appearing. So basically that's it for the new Baguio Visita. And